I mean, come on now. Yo, Wub with 1,000 bits. My first time donating on Twitch ever. I've been wanting to tell you for the past 20 streams, your ceiling fan sounds like the Crash Bandicoot TNT before it explodes. What? Yo, it actually does. Yo, that's crazy. I forgot how this sounded, bro. Check, can y'all hear the fan right now? Hold on. Y'all hear it now? Hold on. How do I get it back to where it was, bruh? No. Bro, bring it back to where it was, bruh. All right, now that y'all hear it, now listen to this again. Yo, that's crazy, bro. Dude, I could sue them for this. Hear me out. I could straight up sue them for this. They took my ceiling fan sound and used it in the TNT. Literally. Yo, Summer. Summer with the 5. Thank you. How to never run out of things to say.
What's your worst essay grade?
Probably